How to know which standard you need to work with? Are you struggling to figure out which international standard fits your business? Don't worry, I'll simplify the process so you can make the right choice with confidence. Choosing the right international standard can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're in manufacturing, services, or sustainability, there's a standard tailored to your industry's needs. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple process to identify the most relevant standards for your business. Steps to identify relevant standards. Every industry has unique challenges. Here's how different standards align with industry-specific needs. For example, manufacturers might focus on ISO 9000 for quality management. Environmental sectors benefit from ISO 14000 for environmental management. Healthcare providers ensure patient and employee safety with ISO 45000. Step 2. Identify regulatory requirements. Regulatory requirements often dictate the adoption of certain standards. For example, for construction firms, ISO 14000 is essential for workplace safety. For beverage industry, ISO 22000 is crucial for food safety management. For tech companies, ISO 25000 governs information security management. Step 3. Align with your business goal. Consider how these standards can help achieve your business goals, like improving operational efficiencies with ISO 50001 for energy management, or enhancing social responsibility with ISO 26000. Adopting these standards can involve initial costs, such as accreditation fees and potentially hiring dedicated staff. However, it's possible to start by integrating the standards into your operations without immediately seeking for accreditation. Early adoption can establish best practices and streamline processes, providing long-term benefits even if formal accreditation isn't initially required. This phased approach allows your business to gradually align with international standards, reducing upfront costs while still enhancing operational efficiencies. Step 4. Consult experts or certification bodies. For personalized advice, consulting with experts or certification bodies can provide clarity and direction, ensuring you choose the standard that best fits your operational needs. Key takeaways. To summarize, first, review the ISO standards relevant to your industry: ISO 9000, ISO 14000, ISO 45000, etc. Second, consider regulatory and compliance requirements. Third, align the standards with your strategic business objectives. Fourth, implement standards strategically to manage costs while building a foundation for future accreditation. By understanding these ISO standards families and their applications, you will unlock their potential to drive quality, trust, and success in your business. Finding the right standard doesn't have to be complicated. Tell me, what's your business and which standards have you worked with? Let's discuss in the comments. I'm Suhaib Al-Haj Masoud, a quality assurance and sustainability expert passionate about simplifying complex processes for businesses like yours. Follow me for more insights, and let's make quality achievable for everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next topic.